Hey friends, Cherie here. Well, I'm checking out a new garden center and I thought I would bring you guys along. I do need to pick up one of these buddy heaters just to have as an extra for the lower level. I'm gonna have to come back and check out this section with all the different seasonings for doing jerky, and then for smoking and grilling. I gotta read the labels to see what's in it, but some of them look really good. I've used both of these before. They're yummy. I like this pizza oven. These little tabletop grills are cute too, but I don't need a grill. I'm going to be coming back to explore this section because I do need a new fishing rod. I gotta be ready for the fishing season this year. Excited about that. These Milwaukee tool cabinets are beautiful. I love the red. I love that. But my husband's a DeWalt fan, so I'm going to show these to him. But I really like the Milwaukee red. Oh, the Farmer's Almanac has come out with a gardening guide for 2025. I've never seen those before. I usually pick up the almanac. So I think I'm going to pick this up too for some evening reading. I do have seeds and stuff out already, but I don't need any seeds. I'll go scan. Only thing I might look at is some chives and bunching onions. I can always use more of those. I do have all kinds of, gardening stuff. I don't need any of this kind of stuff, but I did grab this rain gauge. I'm trying to collect more data on my growing season, and so I'm gonna put this rain gauge out in the garden so I can track waterfall. These easy pop-out cell trays are kind of cute too. I have some big ones. I have this one and I have one that's a little bit bigger. Yep, down here. So I have those bigger sizes, but this could be cute for flowers. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these. I don't really need it, but I'm gonna get it anyway. It's a nice little item for someone who, just plants a small garden. Wants to get a jump start for $13. 72 cell tray, and then you can reuse that tray holder year after year. Has a little dome on it. That's pretty cute. And even that, for $20 to get started, it looks like it comes with a dome. You'd spend that much just buying a dome and tray. So that's a nice thing for someone just getting started. Yeah, this comes with a tray. It all feels actually pretty sturdy. I don't need this, but I think I'm gonna get this and test it out. Let's make sure it's really $20. All right, friends, so I'm gonna head out. This is just a quick, short first impression. This store, apparently half of the store, this whole section I'm in, is gonna get converted to all lawn and garden. Right now they still have like Christmas and random toys and stuff like that. But I saw the new wheelbarrow that I wanna get, and then once it warms up, she said the outdoor garden center will open up, and that's what I came to look at, to price cattle panels and stuff like that for this garden extension that I'm doing. So I'll have to wait until it gets warmer to come back for that, and I will I'll share that with y'all. Also, once I get the garden extension set up, I set one of these up in my lower garden. I love it. I need to do it in my upper garden. So I need to do this for the lower garden. But I have in-ground irrigation, but I don't, use it all the time. Sometimes I just need to hand water with the hose. And so I got one of these little hose reels to keep those, because I'm tripping over that hose all the time. But you'll see more of that. Also, this is a nice, I need one more of these too. But I'm gonna come back and do some shopping for the garden update, and I'll share that with you all when we come back. I'm gonna go ahead and check out now with a little bit that I got. We certainly have an abundance of seeds. I really didn't need any, but I love delphiniums, and so I am gonna go ahead and get this little pack for $3. I'm gonna do some research on this company. I don't know who owns it, so I like to find that out before I buy more. But for $3, they are giving you a good amount of seeds. They're not organic, but you know, we're moving into a time where you just got to get what you can get and use it, right? I have plenty of seeds, so I don't need any, but I am curious about this company. This amaranth is also really beautiful. I have never grown that particular variety before, but those colors would be gorgeous in my garden. So yeah, I'm gonna go and look up this company, and then when I come back, we'll see. Maybe they'll have some seeds on sale at some point. Ooh, I love the black-eyed Susans. All right, but let me get out of here for real.